If all you succeed in doing in your life is to get early rich from passive holding of little bits of paper, and you get better and better at only that for all your life, it's a failed life. Life is more than being shrewd at passive wealth accumulation.
Picture this. You wake up in the morning feeling refreshed and energized. As you sip your coffee, you check your phone and discover that your bank account grew while you were sleeping. Yes, you heard that right. Money flowing in without you having to lift a finger. Sounds like a fantasy? With so many myths and truths surrounding the subject of passive income, it's quite easy to get lost in the maze of multiple income streams. However, one truth remains. No one wants to be caught in the traditional 9-to-5 grind. Irrespective of different views on achieving multiple income streams, it is quite possible to attain passive income. In the words of Warren Buffett, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until the day you die. Many aspiring entrepreneurs dream of a life where they can earn money while relaxing on a sun-drenched beach, enjoying a refreshing beverage. Let's be candid and upfront about the reality. Building genuine passive income far from easy. It requires dedication, hard work, and perseverance. However, before delving into the cookbook of passive income, let's debunk some common myths first. Myth number 1. Passive income requires no effort. It's important to dispel the misconception that passive income can be obtained effortlessly. The truth is, creating a sustainable income stream necessitates an initial investment of time, effort, and sometimes even financial resources. True passive income doesn't materialize overnight. It requires diligent work and a commitment to the process. Myth number 2. Anyone can make passive income easily and quickly. While it is true that anyone has the potential to generate passive income online, it's not a path paved with quick and effortless success. Despite claims made by self-proclaimed experts, establishing a sustainable income stream takes time, expertise, and steadfast commitment. If you now understand that these two ideas are nothing but delusions, you are ready to take the very next step, which is identifying true opportunities. Speaking of opportunities, you can only identify them if you know what to look for. When searching out passive income streams, it all comes down to 3 major methods: investing, asset building, and asset sharing. 90% of all passive income streams are somewhere under these 3 methods. Therefore, the question now is, do you want to utilize your existing money to generate additional income by making strategic investments? Billionaire Warren Buffett began his investment journey before the age of 10, and at 11, he bought his first stock. Or would you rather build assets that generate income over an extended period? Adrian Brambilla, worth about $4 million, generated a great deal of his net worth from affiliate marketing. Better still, how about selling or renting out assets you already own? Sharon Tsueng earned her first million mainly through passive income from her rental properties. Decisions hold immense power, contributing to half of the journey towards establishing a prosperous passive income stream. The key lies in making the right choice, paving a smooth path towards financial freedom. Now, let's delve into captivating passive income ideas that fall under these 3 categories. While investment is a common notion, the real question lies not in the act of investing, but in the art of selecting the perfect opportunity. How about exploring something that surrounds you daily, something extraordinary hiding in plain sight? Vending machines. Owning and operating vending machines can be a source of passive income. To get started, you'll need to find suitable locations for your machines and invest a few $1,000s at least. Once you set up, the maintenance primarily involves restocking and servicing the machines on a weekly basis, although you have the option to outsource these tasks at the expense of some of your profits. However, it's important to keep in mind that investing in physical property, such as vending machines, comes with certain considerations. You'll need to allocate space for storage and potentially handle perishable products, which carries some level of risk. Successful vending machine ownership requires careful planning, regular monitoring of inventory and sales, and maintaining good relationships with the location owners. By effectively managing these aspects, you can maximize the passive income potential of vending machines while mitigating potential challenges. Real estate. Real estate is another solid means. In fact, owning real estate has long been recognized as a traditional avenue for generating passive income. However, it's important to acknowledge that it's not as simple as purchasing a property and sitting back. When you own a rental property, the need for repairs and maintenance can become significant drains on both your time and finances unless you opt to hire a property manager, which will eat into your income. Additionally, acquiring real estate often involves a substantial upfront investment, often reaching hundreds of thousands of dollars. If you prefer to avoid the associated costs and challenges, there are alternative ways to invest in real estate. Real estate investment trusts and real estate crowdfunding platforms diversify your real estate investments without the burden of direct ownership. Just ensure that any crowdfunding platform you choose doesn't require you to be an accredited investor to participate. These alternatives can provide opportunities to participate in real estate investments with potentially lower barriers to entry and reduced management responsibilities. Affiliate marketing. Leaning into asset building, you might try out affiliate marketing. This revolves around promoting products or services created by others and earning a commission for each successful referral. However, it's crucial to note that affiliate marketing is not about bombarding your friends with referral links. To thrive in the affiliate marketing space, it's essential to identify your niche and genuinely provide value to your audience. Whether it's through comprehensive product reviews, helpful tutorials, or thoughtfully curated recommendations, your aim should be to build trust and position yourself as an authoritative figure. This requires intensive time in crafting high-quality content and strategically promoting your affiliate links. Digital products and courses. Still on asset building, you might want to consider digital products. If you possess specialized knowledge or possess creative talent, developing and selling digital products or online courses can provide a profitable avenue for passive income. Whether it's ebooks, music, artwork, or instructional courses, there is a global market eager for digital content. Nevertheless, it's important not to be misled into thinking that your work is complete once you've created your product. It is vital to engage in ongoing maintenance, updates, and enhancements to ensure the continued relevance and value of your offerings. Land/home rental. If you happen to have some unused space in your backyard, garage, or carport, you have the potential to earn extra income by renting it out. At the tip of your fingers are platforms that enable you to lease your land to travelers who are seeking a place to set up a tent or park their recreational vehicle in your vicinity. When it comes to generating passive income from your home, there are various options to explore. These can range from renting out a spare bedroom to utilizing platforms like Airbnb or VRBO to list your entire house while you're away, or even considering renting it out to movie productions. There are many more options not mentioned in this video. But after choosing a means, what happens next? The reality of passive income. Building passive income is indeed just the initial step. To sustain and expand your income streams, you must be prepared for continuous effort and dedication. Once you've established your passive income sources, it's essential to actively manage and nurture them. This involves monitoring their performance, making necessary adjustments, and staying informed about industry trends and changes. By staying proactive and adapting to evolving market dynamics, you can ensure the longevity and growth of your online income streams. Remember, passive income doesn't mean completely hands-off. It requires ongoing commitment and a willingness to invest the necessary time and energy to maintain and enhance your ventures. It might be passive to an extent, but you still need to manage this income source. You can think of it like a grown tree producing fruits. Before reaching that stage, the tree has to be carefully nurtured, and after reaching that stage, the tree still needs to be examined from time to time to ensure that it's in good condition to produce optimal fruits for the next season. Regular updates and improvements are vital to combat stagnation and ensure the success of your passive income endeavors. Similar to how the tree is watered and fed nutrients intermittently. Allocate time to enhance your products or services, optimize your marketing tactics, and explore new opportunities within your niche. The online landscape evolves swiftly, and those who can adapt are the ones who thrive in this dynamic environment. By remaining proactive and embracing change, you can stay ahead of the curve and continue to grow your passive income streams. Building genuine passive income online requires dedication, hard work, and perseverance. We debunked myths and explored methods such as investing, asset building, and asset sharing. Ongoing effort, active management, and adaptation are crucial for sustaining and expanding income streams. Embrace the journey, nurture your sources, and enjoy the fruits of your labor as you create financial freedom. It's not supposed to be easy. Anyone who finds it easy is stupid. The path to financial freedom is not an easy one, but with hard work, the reward at the end is guaranteed. Our channel has a mission to provide financial education to everyone, regardless of their background or current financial situation.